Secret tricks that are worth gold and few people know. 1. Improve the fragrance of the clothes by placing towel paper with cologne on the wardrobe. 2. Prevent the grease from sticking to the bottle and your hands when pouring oil using a sponge. 3. Prevent the invasion of gurgles in cereals and legumes by adding aluminum foil balls to the containers. 4. Eliminate odors and moisture from the refrigerator by cutting a sponge with sodium bicarbonate. 5. Prevent hair from staying in the brush by placing a damp towel on it. 6. Protect dental bacteria brushes in the bathroom by placing them on gloves. 7. Extend the life of lemons by wrapping them in towel paper before refrigerating. 8. Smooth the wrinkled clothes using a pot with hot water instead of an iron. 9. Use the hole in the handle of the scissors as a homemade nut detachment. 11. Clean dirt on the edges of the stove with a stick wrapped in a towel. 12. Make a cell phone holder in the car by folding a plastic cover over the grid. 13. Open difficult knots in bags by turning the tip instead of using your teeth. Subscribe for more tips.